Let's see how you can change the profile name and username in Snapchat. So let's start the video. Once we open Snapchat in the phone, we need to come to the chat screen. We need to click the profile image on the left side of the screen. And in this screen, we need to click the settings gear icon in the top. Under My Account section, we have the Snapchat profile name and the username tab. We can click and edit both, one after the other. We can change the Snapchat profile name first. And next, we can type in the username of our choice, provided it's available. We need to confirm saving the changes by entering the Snapchat login password. And done changing the Snapchat name and username. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to the channel.